Hello guys, good morning. Today we are father and son. Right now here
Yes,
in
Dubai.
border of India and Nepal. This one is like Mechi River, and this divide the border of Nepal and India. This river divide Nepal border and India border. So this one is a very big river, but right now this is a branch of the river. In the April, May, June, July, there is lot of very big river you can see, but right now is is the time is summer time, so right now you cannot see big river. This one is called Mechi River. I hope I will here right now east of Nepal. I am thinking and I have a plan. I will go west of Nepal, Mahakali River also. I have a plan next month. Thank you very much, guys. I don't want to speak too much. I don't like to speak too much. Who wanna be speak too much? I don't like this type of people. Thank you very much.